So let's say your citizenship application gets denied, or your marriage petition, or even your O1 petition gets denied. It really depends on what was the reason for the denial. Sometimes, depending on the reason, it is in your interest to just file a motion to reopen or a motion to reconsider. This is something that's called the I-290B form. And depending on the reasons, let's say it was a fact, or let's say there was an evidence, I would recommend filing a motion to reopen or a motion to reconsider. But this could sometimes take a long time to get a response. There are other situations where if the reason was something very, very substantive, it might just be better to refile the entire application or petition all over again. The point that you need to know is it really depends on the type of petition, the reason for denial, and what is USCIS saying. A lot of these petitions you can file again, or you can file this motion to reopen, reconsider. Some of these petitions, if you're going to file again, what has changed between the time that you got the denial decision and the time that you're going to file again? If it's something that's based on your eligibility, let's say like an O1 visa or a business visa, what has changed to make you more eligible? If you're going to refile everything the exact same again and nothing has really changed, you may not get a successful decision. But if you have new evidence, something else has changed, and you file again, the answer can change. You could get an approval. Same thing with a marriage petition or a citizenship application. You can fix the reason for why it was denied as long as it is something that is, within the law, and then you can apply again and have a chance to get it approved. Here's the caveat. If you were denied because you are not eligible for a legal reason, for a violation of a statute or something like that, there are rare situations in which you may not be able to file a motion to reopen or reconsider or apply again. And let's say you may be placed in court proceedings or you may not have options left. So it just really depends on the type of petition that you've applied for, what was the reason for denial, and what are your legal options.